Back. In this video we will see how to publish my Base44 web app. So guys, if you want to publish your web app applications on your Base44, so guys, it is very easy. First of all guys, you open your Base44 and guys select your project which you want to publish. So here is my kinetic area, this is my project, and guys just right side at the top right here you see the option of publish. When you click on the option of publish, so here if you want to edit the URL, so you just click and edit the URL. Otherwise you simply close it, click here and make the visibility public. Then guys click the option of publish. Okay, and guys here you see that your application is now published. If you want to add the custom domain, so guys you need to custom domain, otherwise you copy this link and guys you paste it like this, and guys here you see that your application is now live. Okay, and here you see the symbol of added with base. So this is the simple way that you can convert your application, your base application, sorry, not the convert, just publish your application. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.